Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Macau. The link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, and let's go. Step 1. Open the description in the video and click on link Wi-Fi eSIM and open this website wifi.com and click on this where are you traveling to. Alright, click on this and write OK and open this page and scroll down and choose data type unlimited or fixed data and choose speed plane light plus premium. I'm recommend plus, maybe premium, right? And select days. I'm select 30 days and premium speed unlimited data. Alright, and how to activate eSIM and buy eSIM and send your email address, QR code and activation instruction. Alright, click on buy it now. Open this page and the service number one for eSIM in the world, Wi-Fi.com. Right? Click on discount code and write ROAM tips. Save this discount code and click on apply. Okay, this discount code $28.50. Alright, and click on Google Pay. And buy eSIM or write email, write payment, write billing address and click on pay now and buy eSIM. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because feedback helps me. Bye bye.